you know, and he borrowed some figure drawings from India, and then some clothes from Tibetan, and then some background from China. So he kind of like created new style, so it called Karma Gadri. So after that, Karma Gadri became more like pleasant to eye, you know. So this is full, like totally covered, yeah.
So the first style, the ancient style, which is the name again? Sorry.
Menri,
Mandarin is more full, right?
more full, yeah, more covered and more curvy, you know, with more
curvy.
movements, yeah.
Interesting. That's right. Everything is curved in this kind of image. Everything.
Yeah.
I don't see one straight line.
And this is old Thangka, maybe 20-30 years old.
Has there been a change in the way Thangkas are painted nowadays compared to 20 or 30 years ago?
A lot. These days, like everybody want to create new Thangka, you know. I don't understand why. Maybe it's good one way, but other ways, like I feel like after some time, you know, like because like people go according to market, what people demand, you know. So according to that, the people start to change everything. So after like maybe like 15-20 years, like there will be no more like traditional Thangkas, you know.
That would be terrible.
Yeah, because like everything is changing now. Everything, like now people started to put more realism on Thangka. It's already done with like Neori art, but like they are just like now these days all these artists are experimenting, like trying to like make it more look 3D, you know, make it more like pop-up art.
More like street art as well, right? Graffitis and stuff.
Who knows?
Yeah. These are fabulous. The figures on the side. There's so much vitality.
Yeah. And like when I was working on this Thangka, you know, like when I first received, I was just like, oh, it's just another Thangka, you know. But when I was working on this one, like I fixed it before it was so much cracks and so much colors were coming off. And then when I started to fix it, and I saw some of these like facial expressions, you know, like it's like I feel like
they're incredible.
it's somebody like who knows like totally about this art, you know.
Yeah.
It's not just like just doing for how do you say for a market, but more like for something he studied and something he knows about.